Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance. Pizza parties are St. Jude fundraiser winners or kindergarten and fourth. Those grade levels will be treated with a pizza party on December 10th, which is Friday. Pizza should be delivered to your room, and they should be delivered to the school around 1 o'clock, and then they will come to your classrooms. Freeze Pop Friday for those showing eye-ready growth will be during PE on December 17th. We will also draw teachers' names for the growth prize on this day. Party Day. Friday, December 17th will be a school-wide pajama day. Class parties may be held after 1 o'clock. The exception to that is pre-K. Grades. Make sure that you are syncing your grades regularly. Grade books should also be printed regularly. If you have any issues with your syncing or your grades, please let Ms. Gibbs know. She'll be happy to help. Reading PLT has been canceled for December, and there's a new date to be announced at a later time. Today's late duty is Miss Barnes. Tomorrow is Miss Lee. Thursday is Miss Hogan, and Friday is Miss Granger. We are still doing our toy drive to stuff the bus. It is amazing to see how many toys are already at the tree. I cannot imagine how many toys we are going to end up with on Wednesday, our last day. So I hope lots of toys come in today, and then we have one more day to get those toys in. So I cannot wait to see the pile of toys as it keeps growing bigger. Make sure that you take your toy to your classroom first so your teacher can get your name, and wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans this Friday if you bring a toy. Our word of the day is square unit. A square unit is a unit such as a square centimeter or square inch used to measure area. So in this figure, we have an area that is 2 square units tall and 4 square units wide. So we're measuring it in square units. Important dates. December 8th is the deadline for the toy drive donations. At 8:30 a.m. is going to be the cutoff for that. PST for grades K through 2. December 9th is our spelling bee. December 10th, our toy drive participants can wear Christmas shirt and jeans. It's door decoration judging day, and we have a St. Jude pizza party for grades 4 and kindergarten. December 15th is PST for grades 3 through 5. December 17th is deadline for partnership conferences, and that is going to be pajama day. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.